before the storm. Things aren't as they were before. You best start bracing.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Klaiyi Hair once more. Not my first time with them. This is probably my third or fourth, and I'm always impressed with their quality. So let's go ahead and jump into what we got for our wig today. See this drawstring bag. So, you know, just like recently I've been getting a lot of these bags with these like goodies. You know, I got a pair of lashes, a comb, and I got a wig cap. I also got this drawstring bag branded Klaiyi Hair, and then lastly, this is the final thing in the box. I got the wig. So let's go ahead and see what we got for the wig today. Okay, so we're working with a bob. All right, it's really nice. It's a 10-inch bob. Oh my gosh, it is so silky and full. I love bobs. Okay guys, bobs are life. And even though we're coming to the end of summer, you know, you can still go out and wear your bob. It's all season. Every season you can wear your bob. So it's a nice 1B color. It's pre-plucked in the front, so that's always a plus. And it's a 13x4 lace front. It is 3 combs. There are 3 combs inside of the cap, adjustable straps in the back, and it's a standard cap construction. And this is so silky. So silky, minimal flyaways, absolutely no shedding, absolutely no shedding. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into installing this.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming. Driven in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, yeah, you take me higher, baby. Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming. Driven in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah. when you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, yeah, you take me higher, baby.
Okay guys, so I'm all done with styling this gorgeous bob. You guys know this bob is trending, right? Since this year, I feel like I've rocked this bob at least 3 times, this time included. It's so nice. I never thought I'd love this bob. One time gone, I never used to be that fond of this bob, but it grew on me, and look, your girl didn't do any edges, like any swoops or anything at all today. I don't know what this is. I feel like I need to call this the No Baby Hair No Swoops series, because for the past 3 wigs, this one being 4, I haven't done any swoops at all. Okay, well, the first one, yes, I did do light swoops, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know what it is, but let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section. Stiff wear. It's so nice, so nice. So I can't stop touching it. It's so cute. It's like a cute look, okay, like super cute look. Like if you want to keep things like snatched, slayed, but like on a level, not too out there, but still like popping, this bob is your bob. It's your bob. The last time I installed a bob like this, I did a side swoop. And if you guys was checking me out on the social house, that's the same side swoop bob I had going, and it was the same length and everything. So I really love this bob. The episode, check me out on the episode where I had to eat the raw oysters. It was not good. It was not good, but yeah. Oh, and initially this bob did come with I don't know if you guys, initially when you see me installing it, this side was much longer. It was like an asymmetrical cut, and so I wanted it all on one level, and it came as a side part as well. The part was over here, as you saw, and I kind of just finessed it, did a center part because it is a free part, lace front, and I got here to level up with this part, you know, because I don't wear my parting on this side. I wear it on this side today, just because the last time I wore a bob like this, I did a swoop, a side part swoop kind of vibe. So this is what I wanted to do today. I'm gonna be sure to put the specifications of this wig in my description box, and the direct link where you can go ahead and purchase it if you're interested in getting it for yourself, because it's gorgeous. It's perfect for corporate, like perfect for corporate. If you want to have a very snatched look going to work, this is your wig. It's 1B, it's neat, it looks well put together, it's a vibe. So shout out to Klaiyi here for this, and the lace melted pretty nicely. The front, as I said before, it's pre-plugged, and it just graduated really nicely, and the flow, it's beautiful. The luster is gorgeous. What more can I say? The wig is a 10. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this wig look. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe. Also subscribe to my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV, and just keep up with your girl, you know. Also follow me on Instagram at PETITE-ESSENCE. And that's it for today. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.